Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 877, and today's topic is the mixing of additives and the industrial manufacture of cement. So in order to improve the quality of cement or to improve the quality, we are adding some other additional rocks and minerals and some industrial byproduct. So these rock and industrial byproducts, they are added to improve the quality, and these are sometimes marble, gypsum, then carbonate rock, high alumina rock, and some organic minerals. And in this case, we are following two steps. One, we are preparing intermediate material. That intermediate material means all these additive raw materials are mixed thoroughly and it is fired. And then second step, that is making it powder by grinding in the mixer. So these processes are there, and that is called mixing of additives. So here I am discussing the mixing of additives in cement, and this process is done to improve the quality of cement by the addition of different type of mineral rocks, and they are given here. And number one, rocks and some industrial products are turned into cementing materials by appropriate processing. The quality of cement depends on the quality of materials. So it is very clear that high quality of cement means good quality, high quality of material, and that good quality of material they are by addition of some different type of good quality mineral or rocks. It has been now established that some material and organic materials are capable of improving the quality of a cement. They can be added at various stages of cement production, and these are number one, calcium-magnesium, next carbonate rock. They are all additives to improve the quality of cement. Then next one, marble, shell limestone, dolomite limestone, and high aluminum rock. So these are additive materials. One, they are added in simple Portland cement. The quality can be drastically improved. The manufacture of Portland cement consists of two processes in mixing up the additives to improve the quality of cement. A is making the intermediate product. So first they have to make the intermediate product, means mixing up all these additives and materials. And B is, that is crushing, to make it powder in crushing machine. Crushing the cement, clinker together with the mixtures, then storing and packing of the Portland cement. The specific feature of the wet process is that the raw material, actually there are two processes followed. In the beginning I have already told you, one process called wet process. This is very common, globally it is very popular. That process is used where water is used and then water is dehydrated, and second is called dry process, where it is dried and then powdered. So that is wet process, is that raw materials are prepared in water, while the dry process, the materials are grounded and mixed dry. The recent years, the wet process is very common throughout the world. The materials are fired in rotary drum kiln, and which are heated using powdered coal or gas or fuel oil, where the fuel burned inside the kiln. And number 2, actually here I am discussing while improving the quality of cement, that is your Portland cement, by the additives, the addition of different type of rocks and organic minerals and some industrial byproducts, and then what processes we are following, and then it is finally prepared and piped. So number 2, the raw material slurry is fed to the line from the horizontal slurry basin and moves through counter current to the hot gaseous combustion products, and their interaction result in the successive process of water evaporation, then mineral dehydration, limestone decomposition, and chemical reactions between basic oxide form, and that is your calcium oxide, and components of clay, and these components are decomposed into SiO2, Al2O3, and Fe2O3 means iron oxide, aluminum oxide, and silicon oxide. In the centering zone, the cement clinker is finally formed at 1400 degrees centigrade. So at 1400 degrees centigrade, finally the cement clinker will be formed. The clinker is cooled with cold air in great cooler to a temperature of 60 degrees centigrade. In the great coolers, air is passed up through a bed of clinker particles uniformly distributed on a bar grating. The air then flows to the line for combustion of the fuel. The clinker is transferred from the coolers to the storehouse, and where it is kept for a certain time, then to storehouse where it is kept for a certain time for slaking and dehydration of the free lime and binding it using hydraulic mixtures. The ash clinker together with hydraulic or inert mixtures of gypsum added to control the time of the setting. Then it is grounded and the cement ball is milled and it is finally piped. So thank you very much for watching the lecture, and the next lecture will be on the setting and some products which are very common in use for the manufacture of cement. Once again, thank you very much.